Welcome to Top Best Picks. The Best Lucy Thomas CD is probably one of the most sought-after choices for music enthusiasts and relaxation seekers, offering a diverse range of soundscapes designed to enhance mood, improve focus, and promote overall well-being. This in-depth review will explore the various aspects of Lucy Thomas CDs, helping you determine if they're the right fit for your needs and preferences, based on factors such as musical style, intended use, and personal taste. Number 5. Janis Autumn in Tuscany. Escape to the beauty of Tuscany this autumn. Let the calming sounds of nature wash over you and melt away your stress. Immerse yourself in the gentle melodies. It's the perfect soundtrack for deep relaxation and restful sleep. Drift off into a peaceful slumber. It will lull you into a state of tranquility and help you leave your worries behind. Unwind and de-stress with this soothing soundscape. It's designed to ease tension and promote a sense of calm. Perfect for relaxation, yoga, or massage. It creates a serene atmosphere for your mind and body to unwind. Let the tranquil and restorative songs transport you to a peaceful place. It's your personal oasis of calm. What we like. It features calming music perfect for relaxation and yoga. If you're looking for a way to unwind and de-stress after a long day, this is the perfect choice. Its tranquil sounds will help you drift off to a restful sleep, leaving you refreshed and rejuvenated in the morning. What people say. The music is so calming and beautiful. After a long day of work or stress, I can sit down and play this CD for instant relaxation. Excellent background music for teaching Pilates yoga classes, relaxing yet beautiful. I play this in my classroom daily. I love Maud's music and this is perfect for background in my high school classroom. Very calming and sets the tone of my room. Number 4. Timeless Watch. This is Timeless, a watch designed for those who appreciate classic style and enduring quality. It's a statement piece that transcends fleeting trends. It's meticulously crafted with the finest materials. Every detail reflects our commitment to excellence. The Timeless design is both sophisticated and versatile, suitable for any occasion. It's a watch you'll cherish for years to come. Experience unparalleled accuracy with its high-precision movement. It's a watch you can rely on, day in and day out. This is more than just a timepiece, it's an heirloom. It represents a commitment to lasting value and timeless elegance. Own a piece of history. Order your Timeless watch today and experience the difference. What we like. This selection offers a refined and sophisticated listening experience. If you appreciate timeless elegance and enduring quality, it's a must-have. Its classic appeal transcends trends, making it a cherished addition to any music collection. What people say. Lucy Thomas has an incredibly beautiful singing voice. Lucy's voice is extraordinary. She sings songs from the 1940s to ones from more recent decades. Almost all are easy on the ears and soul. This product, along with her other albums, are phenomenal. Absolutely amazing and well worth the wait. Number 3. Encore. Get ready to experience Encore, your new favorite way to connect with the world. It's simple, intuitive, and packed with features you'll love. With Encore, communication is a breeze. It seamlessly integrates with your existing devices for a smooth and efficient experience. It's designed with your needs in mind. The intuitive interface makes it easy to use, even for first-timers. Enjoy reliable and high-speed connectivity wherever you go. It keeps you connected without interruption. Unlock a world of possibilities with Encore. It's more than just a device, it's your gateway to a richer, more connected life. Experience the future of communication with Encore. It's the perfect blend of style, functionality, and ease of use. What we like. It boasts exceptional audio quality that will impress even the most discerning listener. If you are an audiophile and demand the best sound reproduction, this is for you. Its high-fidelity audio will transport you to another world, immersing you in the music like never before. What people say. All the songs are listed in an insert that is visible on the back of the CD. Just turn the CSE over and read. Fantastic vocals and range. From the first time I heard Lucy, she's great. My prediction, she is a up and new star. She is only 19, but I listened to the CD 5 times, wow, without playing another CD. Number 2. Enchantment Perfume. Experience the magic of enchantment. It's a fragrance that will captivate your senses and leave a lasting impression. This captivating perfume is carefully crafted with the finest ingredients. It's designed to make you feel confident and alluring. The top notes burst with a vibrant energy, creating an immediate and unforgettable impression. They set the stage for the fragrance's journey. As the fragrance unfolds, the heart notes reveal their romantic charm. This is where the true essence of enchantment is revealed. The base notes provide a warm and sensual foundation, creating a lingering trail of enchantment. It's a fragrance that will stay with you. Enchantment is designed to last all day, ensuring you feel confident and captivating from morning to night. Its staying power is truly remarkable. Whether it's a romantic evening or a special occasion, this perfume is the perfect choice. It enhances your natural beauty and confidence. What we like. It offers a captivating journey through enchanting melodies and evocative soundscapes. If you enjoy music that stirs your emotions and creates vivid imagery, this is a perfect choice. It's ideal for those who appreciate music with emotional depth and artistic expression. What people say. From West Side Story. Full of anticipation, with lovely orchestration and Charlotte's soaring voice. Traditional, but with what Charlotte calls a contemporary feel. Her voice flies in this one. Opera, but with a Latin style, and a positively sultry beat. Great guitar music. One of the most criticized on the album, one of the best. Number 1. Premier Projector. Get ready to experience breathtaking visuals. It's more than just a projector, it's a portal to immersive entertainment. Enjoy vibrant colors and incredible detail with its high-resolution display. It transforms any space into a home theater. Setting it up is a breeze. You'll be enjoying your favorite movies in minutes, with minimal fuss. It's packed with smart features, making it incredibly user-friendly. Stream your favorite content effortlessly. Its compact design makes it perfect for taking on the go. Enjoy big screen entertainment wherever you are. It adapts to any environment. Use it for presentations, gaming, or movie nights. The possibilities are endless. What we like. It showcases premier artistry and exceptional musicianship. If you're looking for an unforgettable musical experience, this is it. Its outstanding performance and production quality make it a true masterpiece. What people say. She recorded this at age 13 and released at age 14. Her voice is just incredible and will get better with age. I couldn't believe a 15-year-old was singing with such a pure voice. Very elegant. I listen to a lot of music. I listen to pretty much every genre with the exception of a couple which I won't specify. I have a nice audio system but do the majority of my listening on headphones because I have a son who is autistic and music can be a bit overwhelming for him. So I discovered Lucy Thomas a while back on the day I received a new pair of headphones, the Dan Clark Audio Eon Open, and connected to my laptop via Dragonfly Cobalt DAC. Lucy popped up in my YouTube feed and I clicked on her somewhere. There's a place for us, video, and about fell off my chair. It wasn't the headphones that made me react, it was this beautiful voice, well developed beyond her years. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.